Does it have? What is the order of derivatives on W?
Ramesh Batra is a professor of engineering science and mechanics at Virginia Polytechnic Institute and State University. He has mentored over 100 PhDs, postdoctoral fellows, and master's degree students.
To the relation used. So I'm really very proud of many of my students who have done extremely well. Actually, some of them have done better than I did when I was their age. So it's really very pleasing to see that. And that's when I feel very happy or accomplished when they do well.
For Batra, becoming a professor was not without obstacles. Born in Pakistan, his family migrated to India when he was young.
My family was not rich by any means, but I was lucky to get a scholarship that was given by the federal government.
After completing his undergraduate degree, Batra moved to North America, attending the University of Waterloo in Canada and Johns Hopkins in Baltimore.
I had promised my parents and my brother and his wife that I will return in 4 years, and I did complete my PhD in 4 years. But in the 4th year of my stay in Baltimore, I changed my mind. So I kept my part of getting married in India with an Indian girl, but I stayed here.
Batra is a renowned expert in applied mechanics. He researches the failure of structures under dynamic and explosive loads. Batra also studies instabilities in microelectrical mechanical systems, and he investigates functionally graded materials to improve structures like pressure vessels. These materials are a type of composite, like the heat tiles on the space shuttle.
See, when the space shuttle was entering the atmosphere, there is a lot of heat produced, and the tiles on the outside surface could melt. So one needed very strong tiles to resist the load, and as well as thermally insulated ones. So they came up with the idea of changing the composition through the thickness of the tile, making it fully ceramic on one side and fully metallic on the other side. But in between it, the composition varied gradually. And that's what we now call functionally graded materials. The gradient of the properties of the material is varied in one or more directions to exploit the functionality of the component.
Batra's research has led to improved designs for rubber-covered rolls in industry. He studied smart structures and the mechanical properties of carbon nanotubes. His textbook, Elements of Continuum Mechanics, is used throughout the world.
Presentation, or you have to submit something?
For his accomplishments in the classroom and in the lab, Batra says he owes much to his family.
I'm very grateful to my family, and my wife and both daughters have been very helpful and very supportive. And without their help, like without my wife's help, they made also the sacrifice. If the time I did not spend with them, I spent on my own work. So I think that I'm grateful to them for letting me pursue my goal.